Hello, my name is Ms. Marquez, and in this video I will give a quick rundown of my science lesson plan for my Liberal Studies 488 class here at SDSU. The science standard I chose is 3LS.3b. Students know examples of diverse life forms in different environments such as oceans, deserts, tundras, forests, grasslands, and wetlands. For my ELA standard, I chose RI 3.5. Use text features and search tools such as keyword sidebars and hyperlinks to locate information relevant to a given topic. Before the lesson begins, I believe it is important to inform the class of the standard so they are more aware of why they are learning this material. Students may ask, why do I need to learn this stuff? And so providing the standard right away will answer that question. I chose to pair these two standards because for the activity at the end of the lesson, students are to search for more information about what lives in each layer of the ocean and choose any two plants and animals. Students will need to use their Chromebooks or any device available to visit links provided or approved. I attempted to make the intro slide to each environment fun and visually appealing to grab the class's attention. After the intro slide, I can move on to questions such as this one. Where are the oceans? Here is a map students can follow along to as I explain where the oceans are located. I did not want to put too much information on these slides because this is just a quick rundown. However, I can continue with some more information such as the difference between oceans and seas. I have provided a link to a nice short YouTube video here explaining the difference between oceans and seas, as well as a hyperlink about different marine life from Oceana's website. This is an example explaining what layers or zones of the oceans mean. I provided another hyperlink here about the different zones by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. I can continue with a description of each zone and where they are located with the help of an image to give students a visual example. This slide just shows how the information can be organized. Next, I can briefly state which animals and plants can be found in each zone. Again, this just shows how the information can be organized. This is the final product of the activity I planned for this lesson, so throughout this presentation, students should be taking notes in their notebook. These two slides are just examples of the intro slides of the next environments. A step-by-step tutorial for the lesson activity will follow shortly. Hello, my name is Ms. Marquez, and this is a step-by-step video for my lesson plan activity. Step 1. Arrange the appropriate colored construction paper and tape or glue them to the poster board. Step 2. If needed, color the layers with crayons so the difference between each layer is more noticeable. Step 3. Draw a rock formation on orange or brown construction paper, cut it out, and glue it to either side of the poster board. Use a crayon to add more details to the rock formation. Step 4. Create labels for each layer of the ocean using index cards. Cut index cards into appropriate size strips and write the name of the layer on the blank side of the card. Then glue the labels in the correct order. Step 5. Print out or draw pictures of 10 sea creatures, 2 for each layer, and place them in their appropriate layer. Label each creature and print out or draw at least 2 plants overall and place them in their appropriate layer and label them.